My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a laid back, like, first impressions, get ready with me using the new Nude, the Huda Beauty Light Nude Obsessions palette. So I did like an all nude look. We got nude eyes, nude lip, nude everything. So if you would like to see this palette, how it performs, and how I got this look right here, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I do upload videos 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So don't want to miss that. Alright, let's get into the palette. So the palette retails for, I want to say 28, but let me double check and make sure like it didn't increase to 29 or something. Oh, it actually did increase to 29. Okay, so it is $29. She came out with 3 nude obsessions: nude light, nude medium, and nude rich. So I guess that would be based on your skin type. If you have fair skin, you would get the light. If you had medium skin, you would get the medium. If you have dark skin, you would get the rich. So if you are a pale ass waker like me and would be using the nude light, then this is the video for you. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so we are going to be playing around with the Nude Light Obsessions by Huda Beauty. If you're new to my channel, I own like every single one of the Obsessions palettes. Yeah, I have a sick addiction. I understand that. But look at this. Oh my gosh. And like swatching them, this palette is gorgeous. I have not tried it yet. This is going to be a first impressions. We're going to do a little laid back, like kind of talk through video where I'm just going to try this palette out and create a bomb ass makeup look. So yeah, I'm really excited. Oh, this palette looks so gorgeous. Eyes are primed, and I'm going to be taking a Morphe E27, and I'm gonna go in with this light peach here as a transition color. And put that in my crease. So you know what I was just thinking before I started filming this? You do not even realize how many lights it takes for me to get this amount of light in the video. Like, I started to count, but I'm like, eh. So, okay, I have that one here, but I don't know if I should count that as one because it has 4 light bulbs on it. So does that count as 1 or 4? So then I have a soft box here, which also has 4 light bulbs on it. My ring light, another soft box which has 4 light bulbs. Then I have a, oh, what's this thing called? One like over my head, which has 4, like I'm blinded right now. I'm like 4 light bulbs. So yeah, it's a lot. I've kind of been like in a slump recently as far as my channel goes because one night at work there was a nurse that floated from another floor because we're like so short staffed at work. It's ridiculous. But I don't know if I brought up that I had a YouTube channel, and so she went to it and she's like, oh, I'll subscribe. And then, you know, she kind of reinforced something that I already knew, but I guess just hearing it from someone else, like, I don't know. She was like, you don't get very many views for considering the amount of subscribers you have. I'm like, I know. And I don't know. I'm just getting frustrated because I've been doing this for a while now, and I thought, I don't know. I just thought that, like, I'm not even monetized. I've been doing this for like 2.5 years, and I still have not made $1 from YouTube. And you know how many dollars I've spent? And I mean, but then there's the other side of me that's like, you know, I love doing this. This makes me happy. Like, don't worry about, you know, views and subscribers. But it's kind of hard because I feel like I'm just like wasting my time. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this like peachy shade right here. And I'm going to use, this is a new MOCHA brush, and I don't see a number on it, but it's more tapered than the E27. And just put that below where we put the first color, the transition color. I'm used to like almost everything that I, you know, try to accomplish or, you know, I like usually am really good at. So I don't want to put all my time and energy into something like maybe, you know, my channel not growing is a sign from the universe that, you know, this isn't the right path and I, you know, should be headed in another path. Maybe I should, I don't know. Because like when I was in nursing school, I had to go through nursing school twice. Not because of my grades or anything, it's a really long story, but I was at USF, I was a semester away from graduating and I got sick. I was in the hospital for like a week, and so there was a test every week in nursing school, and if you missed one test, you basically weren't going to pass that class. Anything less than an 80% was considered failing, and like if you missed, like each test was worth 20%, so if you missed one test, you know, that's an 80% right there, so it's like you automatically fail. And, you know, I told them that I had been in the hospital and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, yeah, I got kicked out because you can't fail a class. So they were like, you can reapply though and start from the beginning. And so I did that. I reapplied, but then I also reapplied to another school. And I got into both, and I was like pissed off at that school. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to go to this other nursing school. So yeah, I had to go through it twice. But looking back, I'm like, maybe that was the universe trying to, you know, tell me that that wasn't my right path. Because, you know, I was so stubborn and had to, you know, become a nurse. And it's like now it's not even what I want to do anymore. And, you know, I just wasn't paying attention to the signs the universe was giving me. So I don't want to repeat that again, something like that again. Okay, so now I'm going to take a Sigma E25 and I'm going to go in with this pretty neutral brown right here. And I'm just going to pack that on my lid, and then when most of the product is off, I'm going to drag it into the crease and blend it with those other two colors. And then I turn it to the side and blend it. So my mom lives in like a 55 plus like condo community, and she like joined this group of ladies that they do all these activities together, and there's like a whole bunch of, you know, activities at like the whole place, and they're having like a fall craft festival. So because I've been looking into like craft festivals to go for to sell my like soap and my / makeup brush cleaner, and so we got a table for it, and it's next weekend, and I'm super excited for it. I don't know what to expect. I've never been to any sort of craft fair. If you've been to one, let me know in the comments below and let me know how you liked it. Oh my god, I almost thought that I forgot to hit record. Whew! You know how many times I've done that? More than I would like to admit. I'm going to go take the E27 and go back in with our transition shade and go over the edges and kind of smooth everything out. I'm having a hard time deciding what to use on the lid because all of these colors are so gorgeous. So I'm going to take some concealer, my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this like little flat synthetic brush by Luxie, and I'm gonna like kind of cut the crease. I'm just gonna put this in the middle of my lid and then look up. Oh, let's do it. I'm gonna go a little bit more than halfway. Now I'm gonna take this Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH41 brush and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's kind of like a pinkish rose gold, and I'm gonna put that in the inner portion of my eye. I'm not gonna quite put it on all of the area we put the concealer. Leave a little bit because we're gonna go in with the second color because I want to use two of these. I'm also gonna go in with this color down here and kind of put that right in between that shade we just put down and then the brown shade. I need a brown that's just a little bit darker, so I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and this color right here, which is Mocha. Yes, that is what I needed. You know what, guys? My entire life, I have never been able to have like just friends with benefit situation because of just like so many reasons. Like I'm an INFJ, we're all about like very serious, like deep, meaningful relationships, and you know, I'm a very emotional person, a very empathetic person, and you know, I could just not separate my emotions from sex. But for the first time in my life, I've actually been able to do it. And I think the key is, it was someone I dated and it didn't work. So it's like, I know now that it'll never work. So I don't like, you know, care what he thinks about me or care what he does. You know, we just are friends and we're both single. And it's just kind of like, you're here, this will work for the time being. Until, you know, I start dating someone seriously. I'm not recommending that to anyone because I know I could never keep my emotions separate. Maybe I've just gotten older and I'm too tired to actually date anyone, so this is what works for me now. So for the, okay, so I just went in with some EYEKO black liquid liner instead, but I'm going to use this purple eyeliner on the lower lash line. So now I'm going to, first I'm going to go in with the light pink shade, our transition shade. the brow bone. I'm going to use the like eggshell beige color in the palette. It's really pretty. Some mascara. My Wonder Mile High Club mascara. I really like this mascara. Some glitter off my shoulder. Alright, damn! Alright, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and then I will come back and we'll do a lip. I'm really excited about the lip. You'll see why. Alright. Alright, so this is the completed makeup look. For lashes, I use my Velour Fluff and Wispy lashes. And for lip, I use this NYX lip liner in pale pink. And then for the lip, I used this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in Beaming, and it is from this like nude collection. Let me, oh. It's like a metallic, like rose gold, pink, champagne love child. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this very nude inspired look, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.